This video chart presentation of Claude Resources, Inc. Claude Resources trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker CRJ. It's our technical stock to watch for Wednesday. It's a classic type of bottom setup we look for. Strong support level right around 40 cents. Stock's been sitting there for about a month now. You see the Bollinger Bands are tightening way up on this. Moving averages are starting to converge. It's time to put this on radar for a stronger move, because when the Bollinger Bands tighten up like this, that's giving hints that a move's coming. Of course, it doesn't tell you which way, but it does put it on watch for a bigger move to happen. Then you can see from these histogram bars, popping through zero, that a bullish cross recently happened. The 12 passed through the 26 EMA of the MACD. It's still early on. The MACD is still technically in a downtrend, but the bullish cross is an optimistic sign. And now what I look for is the MACD to continue to trend upward and try and break through zero. A phrase that's referenced as breaking the money line because it's a bullish indication of the overall trend. Slow stones coming up out of oversold territory, making its way towards 50. A break of 50 represents the momentum turning bullish, and that's a signal technical traders will also be looking for. Going along the same lines, the money flow index is also trending upward. You can see it bumped its head on 50 and moved back down. It's making a higher low though, and looks like it's rotating again. So this time I'll see if it can break through 50. Again, as another signal of bullishness. Following along the same lines, the relative strength index gradually making higher lows as the stock paces, also giving hints that bullish momentum is coming into the play. Of course, the midpoint of the RSI right there at 50, that's the key level and the spot that I'll be looking for to be broken. Now, as always, it comes down to support and resistance points. And I identify that area right there around 40 cents, a pretty strong area of support. If that doesn't hold, I just walk away from this play for the time being because I don't see any other support in sight. Over the course of this 6-month chart, I have to scroll back a little bit further to see if it does technically pick some up. But for right now, that's an important point for me. Now to the upside, this is stuck in a channel. You see right there, stock's been in a very tight range, about 43 cents being the upper end, meeting some resistance there. If these shifts that I'm seeing in trend and momentum hold true, and the stock price breaks to the upside, I suspect it's going to break through that resistance pretty easily. And I'd look for that resistance start to get much heavier around 50, and then again up near 60. Now that upper end, that 60 point, that's almost a 50% move from where it is, which is why we look at these sort of charts, find a stock on a support level, look for a nice upside to a primary resistance point, and that's why I put them on radar and bring them up to our members. Volume's relatively light in this play, 166,000 shares traded. If it wants to come off this base, I'd like to see a surge in volume to lend support the idea that the momentum's going to continue to be strong and it'll blow through this 50-cent mark. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the Claude Resources chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.